Hi again, everyone. It is Thursday, the 21st of October, 2021. Astro Excel chart, green line, pressure continues down, bottoms out tomorrow morning around 4:15 a.m. Blue line, both lines are in sync right now. Green and blue line in sync heading down. Blue line bottoms here just after 7. Cosmo 9 pivots as well. Blue line heads up into this flat top here where the red rectangle is. This is between about 9:30 and about 11 a.m. Then blue line and green line get back in sync here. Uh, Another pivot point about 2:30 this afternoon, and then blue line spikes back up until about 7 o'clock tonight. Let's bring in the timing window into this here. Here's the Vedic chart. Yesterday in the green black A2 with the white A1, I told you was an important indication. It also synced up with the Astro Excel. That ended up to be the high of the day right at that point, and then we started this sideways to down drift. Really low volatility there through the day, and then overnight made a little rally here. Hit this morning timing window. Right, that ended the rally, set it back down again. We made a new low right at the end of that window, and now we're drifting up, kind of making a little triangle sideways pattern here that looks like it's breaking to the upside. This key window for today over on the right rectangle here is from about 11 o'clock to 12:15, and that 11 o'clock period is important because that is about the end of that up move that I showed you on the prior chart. Let me bring that back. On the prior on Astro Excel chart here, we have the green line goes flat for quite a while this morning as the blue line drifts up. The blue line makes this flat top between about 9:30 and about 11:05, and this window starts at 11 o'clock. So right there, that 11 to 11:05 frame where these guys overlap is important. And then of course we got the white A1 window here above the green block on the Vedic. That's about 11:35 to 11:49. That's an important time area as well. So you're going to want to watch those. Let's get the pH times, bring those in here for today. Here's today's pH chart. There's this little triangle that we're breaking out of here on this low volatility period. I'm making two projections, the overnight high from about 22:30 and the overnight low from about 3:03. I'm projecting those forward, marked by the red trend line. You can see this is the gray purple black projecting to the gray purple black. That turn is about 6:15, and then I'm projecting the low. It's in the purple or the blue P2 and the purple P1. That projects to about 10:02. The regular pH times kicking in today are 7:17, 8:05, end of the large segment 10:48 or so. Come back this afternoon for 1:35, and then the last timer at 14:25. So that's what we got going today. We'll be back again with another video on Friday. Just a reminder that today was an important pivot day. We had multiple triggers coming together on the 20th, 21st. It's possible that the high could have been in yesterday. We'll see what happens, but we could challenge, make a new high. Challenge yesterday's high or make a new high, and then I expect that we're going to roll over based on those timers. So that's it. We'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.